Bayantub 20 Trollegery.
Deep inside a modern manufacturing facility, ordinary buses begin a remarkable transformation into fully equipped mobile homes. Every home bus starts with a strong commercial-grade chassis, designed to carry both the vehicle and everything that will become a home. The next stage is structural reinforcement, creating the framework that will support the future living space. Large panoramic glass panels are installed with extreme precision, bringing light and visibility to the future mobile home. Once the structure is ready, precision-fitted body panels begin giving the vehicle its final shape. Inside, the empty shell is about to undergo one of the biggest transformations in the entire process. Before the furniture arrives, the floor is insulated and reinforced to withstand thousands of miles on the road. Behind the walls, a complex network of electricity, plumbing, and control systems is installed to make the bus function like a real home. Insulation is carefully fitted into the walls, helping control temperature and reduce road noise inside the finished home. Now the transformation becomes visible, as carefully finished interior panels turn the industrial shell into a comfortable living space. Above the cabin, the ceiling is finished, and integrated lighting begins to transform the interior atmosphere. Every centimeter matters inside a home bus, so the kitchen is custom-built to maximize both storage and usable space. A precisely measured countertop completes the foundation of the compact kitchen. Compact appliances are fitted into custom spaces, giving the mobile kitchen the same essential functions found in a conventional home. Hidden beneath the cabinets, carefully routed plumbing connects the kitchen to the bus's water and drainage systems. The living area is designed to feel spacious despite the limited footprint, using custom furniture built specifically for the vehicle. Smart convertible furniture allows a single space to serve multiple purposes without sacrificing comfort. At the rear, a dedicated sleeping area adds another layer of comfort to the mobile home. Custom storage is built into every available space, keeping the interior organized without making it feel crowded. Even the smallest space is carefully engineered, with a complete bathroom fitted into the compact interior. Before the bus leaves the factory, every water connection must be tested to ensure reliable operation on the road. A compact vanity adds everyday functionality while keeping valuable floor space available. The bathroom receives its final fixtures, combining compact engineering with the comfort expected from a modern home. A sophisticated electrical system controls everything from lighting and appliances to the home's essential onboard systems. A powerful onboard battery system provides stored energy for the home's electrical equipment when the bus is away from external power. On the roof, climate control and energy equipment are installed to keep the home comfortable and efficient. Before the final finish is applied, every exterior surface is carefully prepared for a flawless result.
Inside a controlled paint booth, the exterior receives its signature finish, transforming the bus into a premium road-going vehicle. With the paint complete, the final exterior details give the vehicle its distinctive premium identity.
At the front, the driver's cockpit combines commercial-grade controls with the technology expected from a modern luxury vehicle. Before the vehicle can move, every electronic control in the driver's cabin must respond exactly as designed. Critical driving controls are inspected carefully because reliability matters just as much as luxury. Heavy-duty wheels and properly torqued fasteners prepare the home bus for thousands of kilometers on the road. Beneath the vehicle, the suspension, braking, and drivetrain systems receive a detailed inspection. Under intense inspection lighting, even the smallest exterior imperfections can be detected and corrected. Inside, every cabinet, appliance, fixture, and control is checked to make sure the finished space performs like a real home.
The electrical system undergoes another detailed safety check before the bus can enter final testing.
The onboard water system is tested under real operating conditions to ensure reliable pressure and drainage.
Every opening and locking mechanism is tested repeatedly to ensure smooth and dependable operation.
After weeks of precision manufacturing, the once empty bus has become a fully equipped luxury home on wheels. Before the first road test, the vehicle's mechanical systems are connected to diagnostic equipment for a final performance check.
Every essential fluid level is checked to ensure the vehicle is ready for its first serious test. Stopping power is tested under controlled conditions to make sure the heavy vehicle can respond safely on the road.
The suspension is tested under controlled movement to confirm stability, comfort, and load handling. Because the bus carries both passengers and a complete living space, its weight distribution must be carefully verified.
The onboard water system is filled and checked, giving the mobile home the independence it needs while traveling. The waste system is also inspected, ensuring that every essential utility works reliably while the vehicle is traveling. Every exterior light is tested to improve visibility and communication with other drivers.
Multiple cameras and sensors give the driver a clearer view around the large vehicle, especially during parking and maneuvering. After passing its major factory checks, the finished home bus is finally ready to leave the production floor. After completing the manufacturing process, the finished home bus finally leaves the factory floor. Outside the production hall, engineers perform one final visual inspection before the road tests begin. Now the test driver takes control, preparing the finished vehicle for its first controlled journey.
The first movement is deliberately controlled, allowing engineers to evaluate acceleration and basic handling. Engineers observe how the long vehicle responds to steering inputs and changes direction.
The braking test measures how confidently the heavy vehicle can slow down and come to a controlled stop.
After the first test, engineers compare the collected data with the vehicle's required performance targets. The next test examines stability and comfort during sustained cruising, similar to long-distance highway travel.
Even a luxury home must remain comfortable when the road beneath it is far from perfect.
Inside the cabin, engineers check whether furniture, fixtures, and living spaces remain secure and comfortable during motion. With sensors inside the cabin measure vibration to make sure the finished living space remains comfortable on the move. Every cabinet and appliance must remain firmly secured, even while the vehicle is moving over changing road surfaces.
In the sleeping area, structural mounts and storage systems are checked for movement and unwanted vibration.
Even the smallest fixtures must withstand the constant movement of life on the road.
The electrical system is tested under load to confirm that the onboard power network can handle multiple systems at once.
Climate control is tested throughout the cabin to maintain a comfortable temperature in different areas of the mobile home.
When conditions allow, the roof-mounted solar system can add another source of energy for the mobile home. A central energy management system helps balance stored power, solar generation, and the demands of the living space. The final diagnostic scan brings together data from the vehicle, electrical systems, and onboard equipment. With the major tests complete, the home bus is cleared for its final preparation and presentation.
After testing is complete, the finished vehicle receives a meticulous final cleaning. The large glass surfaces are polished until they are crystal clear, completing the vehicle's exterior presentation. Inside, every surface is cleaned and inspected, so the finished mobile home is ready for its first owner. The compact kitchen is polished to a showroom finish, revealing how much functionality can fit into a mobile space.
The living area is arranged to demonstrate the balance between comfort, flexibility, and limited space. At the rear, the sleeping area receives its final touches, turning the once empty shell into a genuine private room. The compact bathroom receives its final polish, completing another essential part of the mobile home.
One final systems check confirms that the mobile home is ready to operate as a complete living environment. What began as a bare commercial chassis has now become a sophisticated home capable of traveling almost anywhere.
After design, construction, testing, and finishing, the home bus is finally ready for delivery. Before delivery, one final walk-around confirms that every visible detail meets the required standard. With production and testing complete, the final step is preparing the vehicle for its new owner. The finished vehicle comes to life once again, this time ready to begin its journey beyond the factory. Its factory journey is over. Now the home bus begins a very different journey, the road.
Designed in a factory but built for freedom, the finished home bus can now carry its living space wherever the road leads.
From the kitchen and living area to the private sleeping space, every section was carefully engineered around life on the road. From a bare chassis on a factory floor to a complete home on the highway, every detail has been built for the journey ahead. The final product is more than a vehicle. It is a complete living space designed to turn the road itself into home. And that is how a simple bus chassis is transformed, step by step, into a complete home on wheels.